The next pre-Socratic philosopher that I will mention is a man named Democritus. Democritus developed an atomic theory of reality. He said that the ultimate constituents of the universe are invisibly small particles, and he called these particles atoms. And the Greek word atom literally means that which cannot be divided. Well, what are atoms made of? Answer to that is just simply matter, the stuff that everything is made of in our world. And so to Democritus, nothing transcends physical matter. That makes, and here comes a couple of philosophical terms coming up, that makes Democritus a believer in materialism, and it makes him a materialist. These will be significant terms later. The configuration of atoms may result in all kinds of different things, but these collections are impermanent. They can be weakened by injury, disease, and time, and the atomic structure breaks down. So Democritus is one who believes simply in nature. There's nothing beyond the natural world. There is no spirit that is beyond the world of matter. The last pre-Socratic philosopher we'll talk about today is a man named Protagoras. You see his dates on the board. Protagoras was a sophist. This is going to be an important word when we get to Plato, to Socrates and Plato. An important idea. Sophists were a group of teachers and thinkers in the 6th and 5th century BC in Greece. They would travel and they would teach for a fee. Sophists were known for skepticism or being skeptical. They believe we couldn't answer fundamental questions without our own prejudices interfering. Protagoras is rather famous for saying, man is the measure of all things. That means each person's experiences and perceptions constitute reality for that person. But human judgments are grounded only in the experiences of a lifetime. There are no standards independent of human nature. And philosophy, as a search for the truth, but Protagoras says, and we're going to see that Plato and Aristotle will believe in what we know as universal truths. These are things that have always been true, are true now, and will always will be true. The sophists say, and Protagoras says, there's no such thing as universal truths. And so the possibility of a body of certain knowledge is beyond reach. And again, as I say, Socrates and Plato will oppose this view. They will oppose this view very strongly. And we will see when we get to Plato what kind of answer he will have to the skepticism of the sophists.